Hi guys, so Apple decided to make all notifications private by default. It comes with the latest iOS version. So if someone calls you, you cannot see the person who called you. If you click the notification, it will just call back the person. By me, that's a very stupid idea. But let me show you actually how notifications. So we are calling the info credit number. You see we have 4 messages, but we cannot see what the messages are saying. It only say credit info. I don't know who would like to have this. Yeah, maybe someone likes a lot of privacy. So you go here to settings. It's very simple, but not everyone can find it in the first place, this setting. You go to notifications and it's right here on show previews, and you set it back to always, or maybe when unlocked, if you care about privacy that much. Saying you have the phone on the table and someone picks at it. I like it on always. So let me show back. If I call 333, okay, messages coming up showing the credit info. So that's how easy you set this back. Hope Apple decides to turn it back like this in the future. Thanks for watching and show your appreciation to the video.